Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from mindfulmarketplace.com. This video is just going to be a real short, more of like an informational share or a resource share. I know I'm still getting a lot of questions about the best directory themes, plugins, marketplace extensions in July of 2020. There are so many to choose from. There's a lot of good options. I think most of them have shortcomings that I've certainly tried my best to articulate and demonstrate. And I have my own preferences, of course, but I want to recommend a free alternative. A free alternative, let me try that a second time, that I think many of you may be interested or may find a breath of fresh air. It's called Hivepress. It's a free theme and a free plugin that powers the directory. I have a quick, just pulled up the demo here. So this is the main demo. This is completely free. And the plugin, which powers all this, the functionality of the directory, is also free. You can download this on WordPress.org. And the guy who's behind this is a theme maker who I've purchased several things from before, most notably the Makery Marketplace theme, which was released a bunch of years ago. And it's not the theme that I care about, it's the functionality in the plugin that he created, which is a real true marketplace style setup that you really can't get. I mean, other themes have tried to do this, or other developers have tried to do this with various plugins. I still think the Makery set of tools, even in 2020, you can see that on ThemeForest if you're interested, is still the best there is from the pure, peer-to-peer marketplace style functionality. I don't love the styling of that theme so much anymore. The good news is the guy behind Hivepress is releasing a new marketplace theme at the end of July. I'm recording this at the end of July. It's actually the 25th of July 2020. So this should be out in the next couple of days. It's a marketplace that is going to be a directory, but you will be, like your vendors will have listings and all those sorts of things, but they can also sell services in a peer-to-peer sort of way. So the Hivepress theme and the primary plugin are free, and how Ihor, the guy behind Hivepress, monetizes it right now is through paid extensions. So here, as I just mentioned, there's a marketplace extension which will allow your listing profiles or members to sell products and services to your audience, and you can split the money, right? That's a similar functionality to the theme that I just mentioned, Makery, which he released a bunch of years ago, which really does this in an exquisitely easy way, right? Probably the best still in 2020, the most, my favorite approach to selling, having a marketplace style setup on WordPress. If I was going to do it on WordPress, that's probably the theme and plugin that I would use until his new one comes out, which is coming out in a couple of days. So we'll see how that looks and feels. All right, you have search alerts, membership, statistics. Those are the 4 premium extensions. Everything else here is free. So favorites, messages, reviews, geolocation, authentication, paid listings, claim listings. All these extensions can be downloaded to the base theme and the free plugin, and you have a kick-ass directory on day one using a framework that is super well supported. So this is the last piece of the recommendation I'm going to make. As you can see here, that Ihor is a rock star when it comes to supporting his products. This is only one of his products. He has a whole suite of things that are available on ThemeForest, and he supports those really, really well. This is the free product, the Hivepress plugin and theme. And you can see, as I'm recording this, 10 minutes ago, 21 minutes ago, 44 minutes ago, this is his response. 49 minutes ago, his response. The guy is just really a good dude when it comes to supporting his people and his products. And you're not going to find yourself stuck like Chuck, looking for help without any, remedy for getting it if you use his, products or platform. And again, like I said, most of this stuff is available for free that he's helping with. You can see a showcase of other, um, sites that are already running the Hivepress platform. Again, here is the main demo, which is demo.hivepress.io. If you want to look at this, I'm going to actually do a more complete review of this sometime in August. If you want to join us, our community, my community, at the link below, you'll get some ideas on how to monetize this in some cool and creative ways that you won't find elsewhere. But for everyone else, if you're just interested in a Listify alternative or a My Listing alternative that's more simple, more streamlined, more straightforward, that's not going to have some of the complexity that some of those other themes have, but this allows you to do some really cool and creative things by default, again, by dint of what's available in the extension, store, let's call it, collection that's right here on the Hivepress domain. Okie doke. And again, I think some of these you may even be able to download on WordPress directly, some of the free plugins or extensions. But if not, they're all here, hivepress.io. You can check it out for yourself. All right. So I hope that's a little bit helpful if you're sick and tired of screwing around with Listing Pro and My Listing, and most importantly, trying to get support for the products or plugins or extensions that you already have. Okay, thanks so much and have a wonderful day.